वेल आज काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट इवनिंग है, 4K अल्ट्रा HD लॉन्च हो रही है। सैनसुई सुनते ही आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है?
सैनसुई सुनते ही दिमाग में एंटरटेनमेंट आती है।
एक क्वालिटी, एक साउंड मास्टर,
Japanese technology, the clarity definitely 4 times is what.
ब्रांड जिस ऊंचाई पे है उससे बहुत ऊंचाई पे जाए।
A lot of technology, a lot of new innovative things, and something that always is ahead of its times. And Sansui is very much ahead of its times in terms of every good that they've come out with. And I'm very, very proud today to come to this fantastic function.
4K अल्ट्रा HD is coming with new qualities, नए qualities, 4 times better entertainment। आपको कौन entertain कर?
I think अब 4K करेगा, अभी तक तो कोई नहीं।
गुड इवनिंग अमजद जी, आज काफ़ी ही इट्स अ वेरी ग्रेट इवनिंग, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
आई फील वेरी ग्रेट, बहुत बढ़िया। हमारा ब्रांड है सैनसुई।
I think the smartest technology till the day to come. So very exciting. Hopefully this will go for a long time.
I think this is one of the latest technology in the world and looks really nice, looks really pretty as well, and hopefully it's going to be a massive success.
The Sansui products, as we all know, it's like amazing, and good luck for this new launch as well, and hope it will do like the other brands as well, like other products as well.
विश करूँगा कि उनका जो ये प्रोडक्ट है बहुत अच्छे से सक्सेस मिले उन्हें और मार्केट में उसकी वैल्यू अच्छी से रहे।
वी विश सैनसुई ऑल द बेस्ट, उनको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद, our best wishes and all the best to Sansui.
Sansui has been fantastic when it comes to television and all electronics. Of course, they're Japanese, so it doesn't really get better than them. But I think we're all very excited for our Curve TV.
I am pretty excited to see that, and it's a revolution, futuristic approach.
Any message to Sansui?
Well, Sansui, I'm looking forward to watching movies on that TV now.
Of 18 years of hard work, sheer passion by the company that we love so much. Sansui, give it up!
Throughout the years, Japan has established itself as the global hub of innovation. Every new technology that spreads over the world has its roots in Japan.
Sansui, over more than 1.5 decades, it's doing it's a Japanese technology, and today we have launched some very high-end tech products, and this is the right time where the market is ready, and I'm sure that with your support we will launch always new products. The brand associated with the SAFE, the brand associated with the KKR, and the brand which is associated with one of the biggest Bollywood awards this year, Sansui Awards, which has been in the #1 rating in all awards.
Please welcome Mr. Amitabh Tiwari.
दोस्तों, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मुझे पता नहीं आपको कितनी खुशी हो रही है, बट सैनसुई के बिहाफ पे आपको यहाँ देख के मुझे बहुत ज़बरदस्त घमंड, मतलब गर्व नहीं, घमंड हो रहा है। मुझे ऐसे फील हो रहा है कि हम लोग वी हैव एक्चुअली अराइव्ड इन लाइफ। लेट मी थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस फॉर द एंटायर 2014. वी हैव अमंगस्ट अस डीलर्स who have recommended our brand, who have helped us grow. That has given us the courage, the strength to bring in new products which are, I think, we are the third brand to be introducing the Curve TV, and not very many brands have Connect TV. Okay, that's kind of a uniqueness to us. We have features which will be explained by Shailesh. I'll not take the thunder out of his presentation.
I would like to call on stage a man like we all know. He's all about the numbers. He loves the number games. He's the head of sales. He's here to tell us some futuristic products and technology that Sansui is going to unleash today. Please put your hands together for Mr. Shailesh Prabhu.
We are a Japanese brand. We have enough R&D and technical know-how to beat or to match with any competitor in this particular field. And that's what we are talking about, that we would like to entertain the world further. आपने लास्ट 17 सालों से देखा है कि सैनसुई जो ब्रांड है, इसका नाता एंटरटेनमेंट में काफ़ी है. We have been entertaining the entire world, not only in India,
but entire world for last 55 years.
तुम इस तरह गाती रहो, anything is possible, and I stand over. Fantastic. Come to you, happy come to you. एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो, कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो. That is the ballroom dance. चाहे गोरी हो या काली हो, सीने से लगाने, सीने से means got a hug. सीने से लगाने वाली हो. That's it. अरे मिल जाए तो मिट जाए हर गम.
कोई बात नहीं, आपके लिए तो आएगा यहाँ पर. साथ देंगे सॉन्ग में, उनके लिए जोरदार